Hi everyone. Sorry, hold on, just let me go. Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda, and thank you so much for joining me today. Now, today's the last Thursday of November, and this is the day that I do my roundup of socks that I've made, but also my lovely friends who are taking part in the hashtag Sock It To Me Challenge 2022. This is a collaboration with Kim from Kim Crochets and Knits and myself, and I can show you my socks. So I made 2 pairs this month, and I've got a 3rd pair on the go, but I'll show you the finished ones first. So these are the biggest socks I've ever made, guys. These are for my friend's partner, and he has quite big feet. So I've done them, and the yarn that I used for this was West Yorkshire Spinners Tristan, and they're not quite twins, but they're sisters or brothers in this case. So I'm really love the socks, and I know that Andy will love them. And then using Chiffon Crafts lilac, and I think this is called Jess sock yarn, and I made myself a pair. So these are for me, these ones. So I will have photographs. And then again, using Chiffon Crafts sock yarn, I am just in the process of doing the heel turn. So I've used moss and camouflage, and these are going to be for my Rick. But I'm hoping to get these finished by the end of this month, which is a week on Wednesday. I'm recording this on Tuesday, guys, and yeah, so these should be finished. And then for December I'm doing 2 Christmas socks, one for Rick and one for me for Christmas for us. So that's what I'm working on. Also, at the end of this video, guys, as always, I'll have slideshow from the following who took part. So there's Amy Knits, she's got 2, Hannah Sideris has got a few, Angela Wright, she crocheted hers, then Mariette from De Bouvra, and Kath Dahlstrom, who is Mimi Cat 2, something like that. Anyway, I'll put the link to their YouTube channels in the description box below. Yarn Arm Sheelagh, thank you Sheelagh. Bonnie Got Knits and More, she has absolutely nailed it. She has nailed it. She's like me, she's only started knitting socks this year. I started last year, and she's nailed it. So yay Bonnie, and I enabled Sheelagh and Bonnie to make socks, so yay! And then of course Ingrid Inspirations. Mariette and Ingrid are both in South Africa, so thank you so much, ladies. I really do appreciate you all making your socks, and I will be continuing on with the hashtag Sock It To Me. It won't be I'm not calling it challenge, I'm just going to call it, because it's only me, it's hashtag Sock It To Me 2023. If you would like to take part next year, what you need to do is email me, and my email is always in my about page, or it's under the description box of every video. You need to email me a photograph of your socks. You also need to let me know what needle size you used, what sock yarn you've used, whose pattern you've used, and yeah, so just 4 things, guys: a photograph, needles, sock yarn, and whose pattern you've used. And I will then, at the end of every month, the last Thursday of the month, so you need to get them to me the Friday before, the Friday before, so over the weekend I can make the video, do the slides, but it's easy for me if you email me the photographs. And yeah, so, and share in my Facebook group, Linda's Crochet Nook. I'm also on Instagram as Linda Simpson Designs. So yeah guys, I really would like to enable, so next year, if you're making socks in December, I understand that it's the festive season next month and it's going to be very difficult. If you can't manage it, don't worry, there's always next year guys. So it's easy for me if you email me the socks and a little paragraph telling me what you've used and whatever, and then it's easy for me to copy and paste and make some slides, which will then go on the end of my video, and in the description box below you'll get all your links, the links to your channels. So it's another way for me to give you a shout out in a way, so get more people to join your family that have joined mine. So yeah guys, so Thursday it's Thanksgiving for all my wonderful friends in the US. Thank you so much guys for everything this past 3 months. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Love each and every one of you. That's all from me for today before I go start striking. That's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye for now.